Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I'm going to show you my newest kit. I am just getting ready to go put it on Etsy right now. So here's the kit, just a little sneak preview. It comes all together, the pages and all the goodies for the inside. So there are 4 sheets. Each sheet has 2 double spreads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess I had it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pages. And then of course the backs of them would make a 32-page journal. There's more to this one than normal, which I'll show you in just a minute. Here are all the pieces and parts. And I actually built one so that you could see what it looks like. Now this one doesn't have the final cover on it, but I just needed to make sure I had all the pieces accurately fitting together. So this one has a little surprise on the inside cover. It opens up, and it opens up like this, and then it has pockets back here. And then this front section also opens, and there's a little pocket here, and then you open this way and there's a pocket here and a pocket here. So kind of a little secret pocket, or 2 or 3. So that all folds back to this pocket. Now this pocket's not in the kit. I just made that out of some scrap paper. And there are parts of this journal that you'll do with your own supplies, because the kit would be double the size if I did every single thing. And I think you all like to do your own papers anyway. So this paper's not in the kit. The pocket is. This paper was not in the kit. This pocket is. So then we get to the actual signature with the journal pages. So here's one. It's all about daisies and kind of springy colors, because I thought it would be a nice pickup about this time of the year. This is decoupage napkin. This is part of the kit. What I did differently in this one is I did 4 file folders. And on this one, I scattered them kind of all over the place. You can see the tabs sticking up. But you could also make one where all the tabs were in the back. So basically what I did is I glued 2 of the pages together and made a pocket. So instead of it being 32 pages, you're going to lose 8. So there's 24 pages, I think. So it comes with 4 file folders in the kit. And what you can do is use this as a pattern to make more file folders out of your scrapbook papers, and I'll show you why you might want to do that here in just a minute. So this is a prayer journal, and so you can put a subject that you're praying about in here, however you want to do it. Get that to go down in there. And so here's a page from the kit. This is decoupage napkin. This is a page from the kit. And then this is an add-on that's in the kit. You open it up, and this folds down, and there's a pocket here and a pocket here. This is decoupage napkin. And so there's that little sort of surprise. And then here's another one of the file folders. This has a little bit different design on it. And then here's another page from the kit. This is decoupage napkin. Here's another file folder, a page from the kit in the middle here, and a pocket from the kit, and a card with daisies for you to use however you'd like from the kit. A little cute postcard of a girl with daisies. That's in the kit. This is decoupage napkin. the pocket is from the kit, and this page is from the kit. And this is the 4 tuck spots for you to put little things in. This is a page from the kit, also about bees, honey bees. Here's a 3-layer pocket, stacked pocket from the kit. This is a page from the kit. Here's a pocket from the kit. This is decoupage napkin. This is a page from the kit. And oh, I need to put string on this. This opens up. So these are part of the kit. A belly band, a page from the kit, and another file folder, page from the kit. This is a decoupage napkin. This little tuck spot here, side tuck spot, is in the kit. There's actually 2 of them, and I ended up only using 1. And then here's a page from the kit. So then I added a signature of writing paper for the journal, and I took the labels from the kit and put weekly prayers, so you could write who and what you want to pray for each day of the week. So that would help you keep track. There's a lot of labels that I haven't put in yet. And there's also a ribbon slider set that says Prayer Works and things like that that are still left. And then in the back is an accordion pocket, and I labeled mine Answered Prayers, but you could do it however you want. And it opens up, and you've got the accordion sides that expand. And then what you can do when you pray for whatever's in this folder and you're finished, you can put the whole folder, the whole binder in here, and this will shut, and it says Answered Prayers. So this would hold quite a few folders. And then you can cut out more as you go if you want to. So that's sort of the idea. I'm sure there's a lot more ways you could put it together. And so I haven't put the final cover on. What I'm going to do is make a fabric cover. And actually, I got this fabric at Walmart, and it was my inspiration for the design of it. And this will go, I'm going to sew this and then glue it on. And then use this bee fabric that was also at Walmart and use that as the spine. So it'll look like that when I'm finished. But I wanted to show you, and it will be out on Etsy. And so I hope you like it. And I will see you on the next video, and we'll get started on actually making this.